Hello Year 6. So, in arithmetic this week, rather than us just using the Top Marks website all week, which we did last week and which we will probably do at another point, we are going to play a bit of a game. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are going to be playing this game. It is a game that we've played in school, but I'm going to give you some quick instructions so that you can work out how to play it. And I want you to play it with either someone in your house, so ideally challenge someone older than you. See if you can beat someone who's older than you, like an older sibling, maybe even your parents. If there's no one in your house you can play it with, you can have a go at playing it with maybe someone over FaceTime or video call or whatever it is at your platform or apps or whatever you use to do that. Or if there's really no one you can play with, you can just do a bit of practice of this on your own, but it's better if you make it into a game. Okay, so I'm going to quickly run through the instructions, and this will be the same video that you can use for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. It's got addition, subtraction and multiplication in. On Monday you're focusing on addition, Tuesday you're focusing on subtraction, Wednesday multiplication and division. But the game kind of works in the same way. Okay, I'm going to move so that you can see my table. See you in a minute. Okay, so to play this game, I feel I need a name for it as well. I'm going to call it Arithmetic Amazing Arithmia. That's a rubbish name, but we'll go with it. All you need is a piece of paper, a tablet or a phone or a device, something to connect to the internet with, and a pen. So, on your device you need to find a random number generator. Now there are loads of these. If you just Google random number generator, Google's got its own one that looks like this. Okay, so you've got that ready. Now you and your partner, who, could be someone in your house, could be someone over a video call, however you're doing it, you are going to decide what kind of level you're going to go with. Now this is not a game to practice your written methods. It is a game to practice jottings and mental methods. So I don't want people doing a number between 1 and like 10,000, okay? Because if you end up with two numbers between 1 and 10,000, you're gonna have to use some written methods. So you might choose a number between 1 and say 100, okay? Now, all you're gonna do is generate two numbers, and for addition, it's the first to add them up. So I'm gonna press generate, and it gives me 80, or this is going to be quite a straightforward one. Add, and then I generate 22, 80, add 22, add the 20. My answer is 102. Now you will see, out of you and your partner, who got there first. Now if your partner gets there first, still work out the answer, because if they've got it wrong and you've got it right, even though they were quicker, you win. Because we want to get stuff right. Getting stuff right is the most important thing. It's not about always going fast. We want to make sure that we get stuff right. Okay, and then you can just keep playing this game. So generate a new number, and it's giving me 58. So I'm going to do 58, add, generate another number, 35, or 50, add 30 is 80, 8 and 5 is 13, so my answer is 93. And you can repeat this. Now, if you're not feeling as confident, you can maybe drop to numbers between 1 and 20. Eventually. Let's go tablet. And then we get stuff like 4 add 2. It's going to be 6. Okay, you can generate whichever numbers you want to, but I wouldn't go more than, say, 100's probably max, really, if we're concentrating on using our written methods. Oh, no, sorry, we're not concentrating on written methods. We're concentrating on jottings and on jottings and mental methods. Now, when it comes to subtraction, which you'll be doing in another day, it will tell you which day, which operation you're concentrating on which day. But if we're coming to say subtraction, and I'm going to go back for between 1 and 100, whenever you're ready. This tablet's good. It's an Amazon Fire tablet. It's good because it's quite cheap, but it's not as good as an iPad. It's not as good as an iPad. Come on, here we go. So I'm going to generate. Now with subtraction, we've got to make sure that the first number is the biggest number. Okay, first number is the biggest number. So if I generate and I get 4, let's do it again actually, and I get 84. Now if this second number is bigger than 84, I need to put that number first. It's 73. 84 take away 73. Well, I'm going to count on 7 to get me to 80. Then another 4. My answer is 11. And then I would wait to see if my partner's finished it as well. Okay, but let's say that I ended up with something like 22 and 98, well in that case, I actually need to do 98 take away 22. 98 take away 20, 78 take away number 2, 76. And again, you are competing with the person next to you. Speed is important, but getting it right is more important. So that's for subtraction. And then finally, multiplication. I want you to practice, we're practicing jottings and we're practicing mental methods. So I don't want to be doing numbers like 33 times 60, although that one might be doable. Instead, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop down. So my first number, for some of us, we might have to concentrate. If we really need to, concentrate with up to numbers to 10. And if you need to spend some time just practicing 1 times 2 and 10 times 9 and 2 times 6, then that's fine. If you need to concentrate on those, then go for it. I'd rather you concentrate on something. Yeah, it makes it a bit easier for you to see. However, for some of us, we might be able to do stuff up to, say, 100, but then we might have to do 82 times by, and then I'm going to drop that down so that it's the biggest one, 10. 82 times 10 is going to be 82 times 9. So this, I'm going to do 80 times by 9, or 8 times 9 is 72, so that's going to be 720. That's 18, so my answer is 738. And then if I was doing another one, I could do 9 times, and then I want a 2-digit number, so I'm going to make that up to 100. 9 times 19, well 9 times 20 would be 180. Take away 19 will get me to 171. Now there's a good chance, year 6, that at some point during this video I've made a mistake, because I've been going quite quick and I've been rushing a little bit. So if I've made a mistake, feel free to let me know about it. I'm sure you would do anyway. And that is the game that you're going to be playing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Monday we're focusing on addition. Tuesday we're focusing on subtraction. And Wednesday you are focusing on multiplication. Don't worry about division, okay? Because division would be really difficult to do with random numbers. Okay, have a good day, year 6, and
see you later. Bye.